Dear scholars, this video contains 25 MCQs from the subject Pharmacovigilance, unit number 5. First question. Dash is the study of how genes affect a person's response to drugs. And the correct answer is option D, pharmacogenomics. Second question. Dash reactions which are not related to drug dose or concentration but can cause unusual patient phenotype, and the correct answer is option C, idiosyncratic reaction. Third question, GWA stands for, and the correct answer is option C, genome wide association. Fourth question, full form of ABC related to the drug transporter is, and the correct answer is option B, ATP binding cassette transporter. Fifth question, which drug's metabolism catalyzed by the enzyme CYP2C19? And the correct answer is option E, all of these. CYP2C19 catalyze the metabolism of most of the proton pump inhibitors like omeprazole, pantoprazole, rabeprazole, etc. It catalyzed metabolism of clopidogrel. Clopidogrel used as anticoagulant. Other drug it catalyzed oriconazole. Oriconazole used as antifungal drug. It also catalyzed amitriptyline. Question number 6. Drugs metabolizing enzymes are also called as, and the correct answer is option A, metabolic biomarker. Question number 7. CYP2D6 polymorphism can affect, and the correct answer is option A, toxicity. Question number 8. The study of single genetic variations and their role in determining individual pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamic response to a drug is known as, and the correct answer is option D, pharmacogenetics. Question number 9. The study of all gene variants polymorphism that influence patient response to given drug is known as, and the correct answer is option C, pharmacogenomics. The main difference between pharmacogenetics and pharmacogenomics is pharmacogenetics is pertaining to single gene, whereas pharmacogenomics is related to multiple genes. Question number 10. Match the following with correct option given in second column. Correct matching will be like this. Preterm and neonates 0 to 27 days. Infants 1 month to 23 months. Geriatrics more than 65 years. Children 2 years to 11 years. Adolescents 12 years to up to 18 years. 11th question. The correct way of data collection, and the correct answer is option D, all of these. 12th question. What are the factors influencing the susceptibility to adverse reaction to pediatric population? And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Children have immature organ system, means their organ system is not properly developed. Accumulation of drug, because their excretory system is not developed. So that's why accumulation of drug very common in children. Children have low metabolizing capacity because their organs produce less enzymes. Question number 13. What is the full form of PDCO? And the correct answer is option C, Pediatric Committee. Question number 14. CIOMS stands for, and the correct answer is option A, Council for International Organization of Medical Sciences. 15th question. Number of groups working in CIOMS, and the correct answer is option D, 13. Question number 16. IPC stands for, and the correct answer is option D, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. Question number 17. CDSCO is headed by, and the correct answer is option C, DCGI. DCGI stands for Drug Controller General of India. Question number 18. Schedule dash is defined as the requirements and guidelines for permission to import and manufacture new drugs for sale or clinical trials. And the correct answer is option B, Schedule Y. Question number 19. Match the following with correct option given in second column. And here I have matched for you. Question number 20. MedDRA and DILI are the recent working groups for which organization? And the correct answer is option D, CIOMS. Question number 21. The Authorized Advisory Committee of Indian Government pertaining to Drug and Cosmetic Act is known as, and the correct answer is option A, DTAB. DTAB stands for Drug Technical Advisory Board. Question number 22. What is the correct age group for pediatric patients? And the correct answer is option C, from birth to 18 years. Question number 23. In India, ADR centers are controlled by, and the correct answer is option D, CDSCO. Question number 24. Schedule P is known as, and the correct answer is option D, life period of drugs. Question number 25. Schedule S stands for, and the correct answer is option C, standard for cosmetics. Thank you so much for your